Blink and you'll miss tools that can completely change how you work with wood. That's why TechVerse has put together 20 newly released woodworking tools on Amazon that are smarter, safer, and far more precise than most people realize. Every single product you'll see in this video is real, practical, and available right now, with direct Amazon links waiting for you in the description. If you care about cleaner cuts, better accuracy, and tools that actually earn their price, don't skip a second. The good stuff starts now. The Plunge-Cut Track Saw is designed to give you straight, controlled cuts in sheet goods without needing a table saw. It rides on a guide rail, so once the track is set, the saw follows it cleanly from start to finish. The plunge mechanism lets the blade drop smoothly into the material, which is useful for cutouts and interior cuts. Built-in safety features like a blade brake and anti-kickback design help maintain control during use. For plywood, MDF, and panels, this tool delivers accuracy with far less setup and stress. The saddle square is built to make marking around corners fast and accurate, especially on boards, posts, and box frames. Its design wraps around the edge of the material, letting you transfer straight, square lines across multiple faces without repositioning the tool. The folding mechanism locks firmly in place, so there's no play while marking. Machined metal construction keeps edges straight and reliable over time. For layout work where accuracy matters, but speed matters too, this tool helps you mark with confidence and move on without second-guessing your lines. The taper jig is used to cut consistent tapers on table saws for legs, trim, and custom furniture parts. Once the angle is set, it holds the workpiece securely and guides it smoothly through the blade for repeatable results. Precision adjustment marks allow you to dial in the exact taper you need and return to the same setting later without trial and error. Its rigid construction keeps everything stable during the cut. For anyone making tapered parts regularly, this jig turns a tricky process into a controlled, predictable operation. Steel rulers are a small tool that make a big difference in accuracy. These precision rulers are made from hardened stainless steel, so they stay straight and resist wear over time. The etched and laser-engraved markings are easy to read and won't fade with daily use. A non-slip or flex grip backing helps keep the ruler steady while marking, reducing mistakes caused by movement. Whether you're measuring, marking, or scribing lines, this tool gives reliable results every time and proves that good measurements are the foundation of clean woodworking. The magnetic bit holder is made to keep screws under control and speed up driving tasks. A strong internal magnet holds fasteners securely, so screws don't drop or wobble when you're working one-handed or overhead. The integrated depth stop helps drive screws to a consistent depth, which is especially useful for finish work and hardware installation. Its hardened steel construction is built to handle regular use without wearing out. For cabinet work, decking, or quick installs, this simple tool adds accuracy, saves time, and reduces frustration on every job. The GRR-RIPPER Max is designed to give you maximum control and safety when cutting on a table saw, jointer, or router table. It applies pressure down, in, and forward at the same time, keeping the workpiece stable while your hands stay well away from the blade. Adjustable legs let it handle narrow rips and larger stock with equal confidence. The grip surface holds firmly without slipping, even on smooth material. For anyone who values clean cuts and finger safety, this tool turns risky cuts into controlled, confident passes. The Router Lift is built to make precise height adjustments fast, safe, and repeatable when using a router table. Instead of reaching under the table, You adjust the router from above with a smooth control handle, which saves time and keeps your setup consistent. Fine micro adjustments allow you to dial in bit height accurately for joinery, grooves, and profiles. The solid construction keeps the router locked in place during use, preventing drift. For anyone doing detailed routing work, this tool brings professional-level control to everyday projects. The ETSC 2 sander is built for situations where cords and hoses get in the way. Its cordless design makes it ideal for outdoor jobs, ladders, scaffolding, or tight spaces where power access is limited. The lightweight body allows comfortable one-handed use, even on vertical or overhead surfaces. It's especially effective for sanding edges, frames, and narrow areas while maintaining good control. Dust collection compatibility helps keep the work area cleaner when needed. For mobility-focused sanding without sacrificing performance, this sander delivers freedom and precision in one compact tool. The small cordless sander is designed for detailed sanding where control matters more than size. Its compact body makes it easy to handle edges, corners, and tight surfaces without fatigue. The brushless motor delivers steady power while running efficiently, which helps extend tool life and battery performance. 2 speed settings allow you to switch between faster material removal and lighter finishing work. Being battery-powered means you can move freely without cords getting in the way. For quick touch-ups and precision sanding tasks, this tool offers convenience without sacrificing control. Wood Honey is a food-safe wood oil and conditioner made for protecting and refreshing finished wood surfaces. It's commonly used on cutting boards, butcher blocks, serving trays, and wooden countertops where safety matters. The formula is non-toxic and solvent-free, so it's safe for kitchen use once applied. Application is simple. Wipe it on with a clean cloth, let it soak in, then wipe off the excess. It enhances the natural grain without leaving a heavy or glossy finish. For maintaining wood that's meant to be used daily, this product keeps surfaces nourished and looking clean. The hand sanding block set is designed to give you better control when sanding flat, curved, and contoured surfaces. The blocks are shaped to match both convex and concave profiles, helping sandpaper stay in full contact with the surface. Made from durable foam, they're comfortable to hold and reduce hand fatigue during longer sessions. The hook and loop system makes changing grits quick and easy, covering everything from rough shaping to fine finishing. For detailed work where power sanders struggle, this set delivers consistent results with precision and control. The parallel bar clamp is built for glue-ups and assemblies where even pressure really matters. Its rigid steel bar resists flexing, helping keep panels, cabinets, and frames square while the glue sets. The parallel jaws stay aligned throughout the clamping process, distributing pressure evenly across the workpiece. A smooth, sliding jaw allows quick positioning before tightening, and the comfortable handle gives you controlled pressure without strain. It can also be converted into a spreader when needed. For clean assemblies and reliable alignment, this clamp provides strength, stability, and consistency you can trust. The hearing protector is designed to reduce harmful noise while still keeping you connected. It provides a solid level of hearing protection for loud tools like saws, routers, and sanders, helping protect your ears during long shop sessions. Built-in Bluetooth lets you listen to music or take calls without removing the protection, which keeps your workflow uninterrupted. The controls are easy to use, even with gloves on, and the fit is made for extended wear. For anyone working in noisy environments, This tool protects your hearing without cutting you off from the world. The dust extractor is built to keep your workspace cleaner while maintaining strong suction for both wet and dry cleanup. Its powerful motor delivers consistent airflow that captures fine dust from sanders, saws, and routers, helping improve air quality in the shop. Despite its performance, it runs at a relatively low noise level, making it suitable for indoor use. Long power and hose lengths give you better reach without constantly changing outlets. For woodworkers who care about cleanliness and health, this tool keeps dust under control and your workspace more professional. The Juice Groove Router Jig is designed to help you cut clean, consistent juice grooves into cutting boards with minimal setup. It guides the router smoothly around the board's edge, keeping the groove evenly spaced and professional looking from start to finish. The adjustable frame allows it to fit boards of different sizes and thicknesses, so you don't need a separate jig for each project. Once clamped in place, it stays stable throughout the cut. For anyone making cutting boards to use or sell, this jig delivers repeatable results that look polished and well made. The dual-base trim and plunge rotor is made for versatility, letting you handle a wide range of routing tasks with one tool. The trim base is ideal for edge profiling, laminate trimming, and light detail work, while the plunge base allows controlled depth cuts for grooves, mortises, and hinge recesses. A soft start motor helps reduce sudden torque at startup, making the tool easier to control. Ergonomic handles improve comfort during longer use, and dust collection support helps keep the work area cleaner. For woodworkers who want flexibility without switching tools, this router adapts to the job and stays reliable. The Palm Router Kit is built for precision work, where control and portability matter most. Its compact size makes it easy to handle with one hand, especially for edge profiling, trimming, and light joinery. The brushless motor delivers efficient power while maintaining a wide speed range, allowing you to match the RPM to different materials and bit sizes. Ergonomic grip options give you better balance and control in different orientations. Because it's lightweight and quick to set up, this router is ideal for detail-focused tasks where accuracy matters more than raw power. The 7-in-1 Workbench is designed for job sites and workshops where space and versatility matter. It converts into multiple setups, including a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold platform, creeper, dolly, and hand truck, letting one tool handle many tasks. The folding design makes it easy to transport and store, while the sturdy frame supports demanding loads. Adjustable legs help level it on uneven surfaces, improving stability during work. Some models also include a built-in power outlet for added convenience. For DIYers and professionals alike, this workbench replaces clutter with one smart, adaptable solution. The T-shaped layout Scriber is made for accurate marking and layout work in woodworking and light fabrication. Its design allows you to mark parallel lines, slots, and reference points with consistent spacing. The built-in measuring scale helps with quick checks, and it can also be used to compare or size drill bits directly. Fine adjustment screws let you dial in precise settings without guesswork. The rigid metal construction keeps markings steady and repeatable. For clean layouts that lead to clean cuts, this tool helps you mark once and work with confidence. The Swanson Speed Square Pro is a heavy-duty layout tool built for accuracy and durability on the job site or in the workshop. It combines the functions of a tri-square, miter square, saw guide, and protractor into one solid tool. Clear, easy-to-read markings help with fast angle layout, rafter cuts, and straight lines for crosscuts. The thick aluminum construction resists bending and stays accurate over time. For framing, cabinetry, or general woodworking, this square delivers dependable precision every time you pick it up. If you found these tools useful, hit like, share which one you'd actually use, and subscribe to TechVerse for more honest tool reviews that help you buy smarter.